Terrifying scene tonight in Nebraska. This is what people in Stanton County came face to face with. Two massive tornadoes side by side, plowing a path of destruction. The twisters destroyed homes, tossed cars, and ripped trees apart. The small town of Pilger is leveled. Right now, one person is known dead, at least 16 more critically injured.
I can't get real close to a lot of things, but there is a lot of damage. I've heard three-fourths or half to three-fourths of the town. The whole downtown is all gone.
Nebraska's governor has declared a state of emergency. That weather